Hello everyone, it's me Yudis, and now we'll meet again to do my assignment for discourse analysis. Now I'm going to talk about the written discourse, and this our meeting again. Of course, I'm going to answer 10 questions from the assignment. First, we will talk about what is the differences between the cohesion and coherence in written discourse, of course. Basically, the differences between cohesion and coherence, uh, like cohesion is about how sentences are linked together using grammar rules. Coherence is about whether the whole text makes sense and is easy to understand. Next question is how the cohesive device contribute to the coherence of a text. By cohesive device like linking words act like a glue. Of course, they help connect sentences so the reader can follow the flow of the text easily. The third question is about what are the main types of grammatical cohesion according to Halliday and Hassan. There are four main types. First is a reference using pronouns like he, she, or it. The second is substitution, replacing a word with another word to avoid repetition. The third is ellipsis, leaving out words that are already understood. And the last is conjunction, using words like and, but, or because to link that ideas. The question number 4, how does reference function as a cohesive device in a text? Reference helps us point to people or things mentioned before or after, so we do not have to repeat the same names over and over. The fifth question is what is the differences between anaphoric, cataphoric, and exaphoric reference. So basically, anaphoric refers to something mentioned before, like John is here, he is happy. Cataphoric refers to something that comes later. For example, like because he was tired, John went to sleep. And the last one is exaphoric, refers to something outside the text, like pointing at a real object nearby. The sixth question, how substitutions help avoid repetition. It replaces specific words with general ones, which is make the writing sounds better and less repetitive. The seventh question, how ellipsis contributes to cohesion. It removes words that are not needed because they are already implied, making sentences shorter and direct. The equation types of conjunction, like adaptive, there is an adaptive, adversative, like showing contrast, like but, however. And the next is there is a casual, of course, showing reason or result, like because, so, temporal, showing time, like that. And the ninth question, lexical and cohesion or versus grammatical cohesion, uses structure like pronouns or conjunction. So basically, lexical cohesion uses vocabulary, chooses like repeating word synonyms or related words to keep the topic focused. And the last question, the role of collection in coherence. Collaboration, a collection refers to words that naturally go together, like make a decision, using them as sound natural and easier to understand for the readers. So maybe that's all. Thank you.